Coinbase Crypto Staking Platform Review Usage Experience. Links to Coinbase are in the description. Coinbase staking is one of the easiest ways to earn passive income on your crypto holdings, designed for users who want a secure and beginner-friendly staking solution. It allows you to stake Ethereum, ETH, Cardano, 8A, Solana, SOL, Tezos, XTZ, Cosmos, Atom, and other assets, earning rewards without any technical setup. Unlike complex staking solutions that require running validator nodes, Coinbase handles everything for you. Simply hold eligible assets in your Coinbase account, and staking rewards are automatically distributed. One of Coinbase's key advantages is its flexibility. While some platforms require long lockup periods, Coinbase offers liquid staking for most assets, meaning you can unstake and access your funds at any time. Rewards are paid out regularly, depending on the asset, making it easy to track your earnings. The staking APY, annual percentage yield, varies by coin, but Coinbase provides competitive rates compared to other custodial platforms. Security is a major selling point. As a regulated exchange based in the US, Coinbase follows strict compliance measures, ensuring that funds remain secure. With FDIC insurance on USD balances, institutional-grade security, and two-factor authentication, Coinbase is one of the most trusted platforms in the crypto space. Another standout feature is Ethereum 2.0 staking, where users can stake ETH to support the network transition while earning rewards. Unlike traditional staking, Coinbase offers staked ETH liquidity through ETH2, allowing users to continue participating in DeFi while staking. Additionally, Coinbase makes staking accessible even for small investors by offering low minimum staking requirements, meaning you don't need a large amount of crypto to get started. Overall, Coinbase staking is perfect for crypto holders looking for a hands-off, secure, and easy staking solution. With automatic payouts, strong security, and a user-friendly experience, it's an excellent choice for earning passive income. If you're looking for a simple way to stake without dealing with the complexities of validator nodes, Coinbase is one of the best options available. Links are in the description. Start staking today